In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll to click on Manage All right under Notifications. And click on blue switches next to your apps to block notifications, or gray ones to turn them back on. You can also go back, tap on an app over here and manage notifications thanks to this switcher. Additionally, by entering your app here, you'll also get access to all of those notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!